everyone, this is Jeff from ColdSkill. We are here today to show you one of our cold room installation which we did for our good clients in Stamford Hill. We installed a walk-in chiller room with dimensions of 3 meter by 2 meter and 2.4 meter height. Also, we installed a manual sliding door, Fairwood furniture with a clear opening of 1 meter by 2 meter height, and then the door switch is fitted to control the LED light and the evaporator fan. We have Elivel controller to control all the functions of evaporator, light and the condensing unit. Let's take a quick look at inside for the evaporator to see what we did inside. Yeah, it's really cold inside the cold room. So you can see the LED light, you can see the max cold evaporator, which is 2.4 kilowatts, box type profile, and the drainage is done by gravity. This evaporator is connected to 1.5 horsepower pistol condensing unit, J&E Hall, and let's take a look at outside and see how we did the job.